and welcome back to English with Ben and Emma. I'm Emma, and it's really great to have you with us today.
And I'm Ben. Emma, I'm going to be honest with you. Today, I don't feel amazing.
Oh, not amazing? Is that a Ben-level problem or a real problem?
A real one. I woke up tired, my eyes were tired, my brain was tired, even my phone looked tired when I checked the time.
When the phone looks tired, that's a new medical condition. But honestly, a lot of people feel like that. It's like everyone is running on low battery mode lately.
Yes, like you wake up at 100%, and by the time you brush your teeth, you're already at 63%.
That's so real. So today, we're talking about health, the everyday kind. How you feel, what's going on with your body, how to describe it in simple, natural English.
No big, scary medical words, no complicated explanations, just real-life English you can actually use.
And we'll keep it light. Talking about health doesn't have to be depressing. Sometimes it's funny. Sometimes it's relatable. Sometimes it's just, yeah, that's life.
Exactly. So get comfortable, drink something warm, and let's start.
Ben, let's begin with something very human. How are you feeling today?
Dangerous question. But okay. I feel tired, but not sad, not sick. Just my body feels soft.
Soft. What a beautiful medical description. Dr. Ben, your body is soft today.
I'm trying my best here, Emma, but it's true. Sometimes we feel strange, but we don't know the exact word.
That's normal. So let's talk about simple ways to describe how you feel without guessing random vocabulary.
Yes, like, I feel good. I feel okay. I feel tired. I feel stressed. I feel relaxed.
Very easy. And you can add small details. For example, I feel tired because I slept late. I feel stressed because of work. I feel great because it's sunny today.
Weather affects health so much. Sunlight is magic. Rain, also magic, but a sad kind of magic.
Sad magic. But yes, your mood can change your health too.
Absolutely. Sometimes I think my brain controls my body like a video game, but with very bad Wi-Fi.
That is actually a perfect metaphor.
Okay, Emma, how do you feel today?
Honestly, I feel pretty good. A little hungry, a little sleepy, but good.
That's like 70% health. Almost premium health.
Premium health. But yes, not perfect, not terrible. Just normal human health.
I like that. Normal health is still health.
A lot of learners struggle with body vocabulary. So let's talk about that in a simple way.
Yes, like my head hurts, my back feels tight, my stomach feels uncomfortable. Very natural sentences.
And easy to say in real life. You don't need to say, I have a headache all the time. You can also say, my head feels heavy, or my eyes feel tired. Both are natural.
I love that English lets you describe things simply. You don't need to sound like a doctor.
Definitely not. If you sound like a doctor, even doctors get scared.
True.
Let's move forward a little bit. Sometimes health isn't about pain. It's about energy.
Yes, energy is everything. You can feel tired, or low, or empty, or slow. And sometimes you're not sick, you just need rest.
Exactly. So here are natural ways to talk about energy. I feel low energy today. I feel slow this morning. I feel heavy today. I feel fresh today.
I feel heavy today. That's me every Monday morning.
That's everyone every Monday morning. Emma, can we talk about stress?
Of course. Stress is part of health, too.
Yes, and simple English works here as well. I feel stressed. I feel worried. My mind feels full. My chest feels tight. I need a break.
That one, my chest feels tight, that's very real for a lot of people. It's not dramatic, it's just being honest.
And sometimes you just need to say it out loud to feel better.
Absolutely. Now, I want to talk about something important. Sleep.
Sleep is everything. If sleep were a person, I would marry it.
Same. Sleep fixes most problems. Bad sleep creates most problems.
So, how do we talk about sleep naturally?
Easy. I slept well. I slept badly. I didn't sleep enough. I woke up many times.
Or, I slept, but my brain didn't. That's my favorite one.
That is very, very real.
A lot of learners also want to talk about health habits. For example, exercise, food, water, sunlight.
Yes, but again, we keep it simple. You can say, I try to eat healthy. I drink more water now. I walk every day. I stretch every morning. I want to sleep earlier.
Very natural, short, human, not perfect, just honest.
I think that is the theme of this whole episode. Honest English.
Yes, not academic English, not textbook English, just everyday English real people use when talking about their health.
Emma, what healthy habits do you try to keep?
I try to drink water first thing in the morning. I try to sleep before midnight, and I try to walk every day.
Keyword, try.
Yes, exactly. I don't always do it, but I try.
That's me with exercise. I try, very emotionally, but physically I don't always get there.
But effort counts.
I want to talk about something learners ask a lot. How to describe small problems.
Oh, yes. Not serious problems, just everyday things.
Like, my throat feels dry. My nose feels blocked. My eyes feel itchy. My legs feel weak.
These are perfect, short, and clear. No drama, just simple English.
My personal favorite is, I feel a little off.
Yes, perfect expression. It means something is not normal, but I can still function.
The international feeling of adulthood.
Exactly. Okay, let's talk about mental health gently.
Yes, gently. You don't need big emotional words. You can simply say, I don't feel like myself today. I feel a little down. I feel a little empty. I feel better after talking.
These are natural, soft, human, easy to say.
And very important. You know what helps my health?
What?
Small joys, like a warm drink, a sunset, a clean room, a good nap.
A good nap can save a life.
Absolutely. I think we underestimate naps.
Naps are heroes. Before we end today, let's teach some phrases for supporting others.
Yes. How to respond when someone doesn't feel well.
You can say, I hope you feel better soon. Take your time. Rest well. Let me know if you need anything.
Simple, kind, universal.
Health is not just about your body. It's about connection.
All right, everyone. Thank you for spending time with us today.
We hope this episode made you feel a little lighter, or at least understood.
And remember, you don't need perfect English to talk about your health. Just honest English.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
And stay well.